Good evening students, today I am showing you the solution of SSC examination of March 2019 science exam. The paper number set is 2. Your first question is the reciprocal of focal length of the lens is called power of lens. The power of lens can be measured in diopter. The focal length of eye lens of eye of Jayashree is 25 cm. What is the power of eye lens of eye of Jayashree? Which type of lens spectacles should she wear? The answer is C, plus 4.0D convex lens. Second question. The colored substances which are used as paint are known as pigments. In order to obtain various pigments, the subtractive method is used for mixing the pigments. Which of the following color is not absorbed by yellow and blue pigments? The answer is C, green. Because of early sunrise and late sunset, the length of day becomes dash means long. The answer is 4 minutes, A. Fourth question. The optical fiber used in signal communication works on which principle? The answer is C, total internal reflection. Now fifth. The attractive force results when a glass rod rubbed with a silk and a plastic rod rubbed with a fur brings together. During friction, which type of charges are developed on glass rod and plastic rod? The answer is C, positive charge on glass rod and negative charge on plastic rod. Next question 6. Which of the following equation is known as Joule's law? The answer is H is equal to I square RT. Seventh question. In one circuit, resistance of wire is 10 ohm. If it is connected with 2.5 voltage battery, how much electric current will flow through it? By the solution we get D, 250 microampere. Question number 8. Following figure shows graph of I to V. Which graph is correct according to Ohm's law? The answer is figure A. So answer will be C, figure A. Ninth question. According to Fleming's right hand rule, what does the direction of center finger shows? Center fingers, right hand rule. Remember, induced electric current. The answer is induced electric current. 10. At the center of which of the following 4 circular rings has maximum magnetic field while passing equal current through each one? So the answer is smaller circle. Figure D. And the answer will be D. In the given circuit diagram, identify the objects marked as 1, 2 and 3. The first one is the bulb, second is the key and the third one is the battery. So the answer is B, bulb, key and battery. Which satellite is used for geographical survey? Cartosat is the answer. Question number 13. What is the full form of LHC? Large Hadron Collider. 14. The Earth takes 1 year to make a complete revolution around the Sun, whereas Pluto takes nearly 248 of our Earth years to orbit the Sun. What is the main reason for this? The answer is D. Pluto, being far from the Sun, has to travel more distance than the Earth. That's why the answer is D. 15th question. What is the name of 400 km thick bright layer around the Sun? The photosphere is the answer. 16th question. When pH paper dipped in solution, its color gets changed. In following table, color of pH paper is shown in section A and pH values in section B. Select the correct answer. So pink is 2, light green is 7, green is 8 and blue is 10. So the answer will be C. 17th question. What is the chemical formula of sodium zincate? Obviously Na2ZnOH4. Answer is B. The aqueous solution having pH 2 is how many times more acidic than aqueous solution having pH 4? It is 100, so the answer will be 10 square. Which of the following contains tartaric acid? Tartaric acid is in turmalin. D. Which components are used in preparation of scientific balance and light instruments? Aluminium and magnesium. The answer of 20th question is B. 21st. Which material is used to bring melting point lower in electrochemical reduction to obtain aluminium from alumina? It is already given in your textbook, so the answer is feldspar B. By which process metal can be obtained from metal oxide? The reduction process is the answer. Sulfuric acid is produced by contact process. Which is the another method by which sulfuric acid can be produced? Lead chamber process. The answer is lead chamber process. Which gas is used as preservatives in juice of fruits in jam and drying of fruits? SO2 is the answer. Which catalyst is used to produce sulfur trioxide SO3 from sulfur dioxide SO2? V2O5 is given in your textbooks. V2O5 is the answer. Question number 26. Which statement is incorrect in context with anthracite? These above 3 are the correct statements. The D one is the incorrect. When pure anthracite burns, amount of residues is very high. D is the answer. What is the chemical formula of alkyne series? CnH2n minus 2. So B is the answer, minus 2. 28th question. When ethene is burnt in presence of air, it burns with sooty flame. What is the name of this soot? Carbon black is the answer. It's very easy. Which gas is produced in reaction of calcium carbide with water? Ethane. Ethane gas. 29. Ethane. 30th question. Which polymer is used in preparation of non-stick cooking vessels? So we obviously used it Teflon. Which polymer is used for taking stitches after surgical operation? Dextran. B. B is the answer, Dextran. 31st question, B. 32. Which resin is prepared from urea and formaldehyde? UF resin. UF resin form. 33. Amoeba is unicellular animal. In amoeba, the process of obtaining food is called phagocytosis. Which is the correct sequence in nutrition of amoeba? The answer is ingestion to digestion to absorption and last one assimilation. Answer is B. During which process blood is filtered out in Bowman's capsule? During ultrafiltration process. So answer is C. Which statement is incorrect in context with blood circulation in human? Question number 35. The answer is oxygenated blood from right atrium is poured into right ventricle is the wrong answer. So this is incorrect one, and that's why C is the answer. In textbook we have already learned about the left atrium and left ventricle. 36th question. By transfer of which material into phloem tissue the osmotic pressure of tissues increase? The answer is sucrose. A. 37th question. Resins and gum are what type of material of a plant? Obviously it's an except tree. So D is the answer. Which organs controls the process like coughing and sneezing? Parietal lobe. 39th question. Overstimulation of which hormones in childhood makes height of person more than 7 feet? It is GH, growth hormone. The cut of stem of plant having root is used for grafting is known as stalk. C. Answer is C. Which disease shows symptoms like lesions in mucous membrane of urogenital tract and ulcer in general? It is syphilis. A. A is the answer. During reproduction, red wasps were living in green leaf thorny bush. Some wasps were found to be green in color. Which is the correct reason for this from following? The answer, none of the above. D. Which is the correct sequence of evolution in wild cabbage? So the answer is C. Cabbage to broccoli, broccoli to cauliflower, cauliflower to kohlrabi, and the last carrot. 44th question. The most important compound which accounts for almost 80% of the total depletion of ozone layer is chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC. Now next one, the 45. Ecosystem is made up of which interacting system? The answer obviously is the C1, living organism and the physical chain. Ecosystem is made up of these two things only. Use of solar energy operated devices instead of LPG for preparation of food is an example of reduce. A. 47th question. For which tree Amrita Devi Bisnoy sacrificed her life? For the khajri tree. A is the answer. Which of the following scientists emphasized on the concept of miniaturization in order to improve the functional efficiency of the material or device? Professor Richard P. Feynman. C is the answer. 49. Three-dimensional, that is 3D printing, holographic data storage, optical computing, quantum cryptography, spintronics, etc. belongs to which of the following field? That is the answer is IT, information technology. B is the answer. And 50, the last and the least, ray of light travels from the optically rarer medium to optically denser medium. It moves towards normal, and when it travels from optically denser to optical rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. Is known as refraction of light. Which of the following pentagon figures shows the correct refraction of light? You can see, we have already learned in the textbook also, this figure directly move outside. So the answer is figure C. A is the answer. So this we have already known about the part A, that is our MCQ section, and we have completed the English medium SSC Board Examination March 2019 paper. Thank you.